Alright, so in this video we're going to learn how to solve systems of quadratic equations. And the process we're going to be using for solving these, the method we're going to use is by using our graphing calculators. So, looking at example 1, I'm going to first go to the y equals menu, and I'm going to enter each of my equations respectively. So my first equation is x squared plus 7x plus 10. And the second equation in our system is y equals x plus 5. Oops, go back here. X and x plus 5. All right. Now from here, you can go ahead and try and hit your graph key and see if your window is correct for the system of equations you're looking at. Okay, so I can see one equation, and then I can see my own. So this window is actually perfect for what we're doing. If we need to change anything here, we would go to the zoom or the window options and adjust accordingly. All right, so now that I have my system graphed, how do I find these points of intersection? To do so, I'm going to hit second and the trace key, and then I'm going to pick option 5 here, which is intersect. Now, the calculator is going to prompt you with a series of questions. The questions are first curve, second curve, and guess. And what it's asking you to do is indicate which two curves you're trying to find the intersection for. The reason it's asking this is because you could have actually multiple curves on screen from this y equals menu. You could have as many equations in here as you wanted. And you would have to specify which two you were looking at to find the intersection point. For us, we only have two curves, so we can actually get away. Let me pull my intersection function up again. So we can actually get away with just moving our cursor really close to the intersection point we want, since there's just two, and just hitting enter 3 times. It'll bounce between the curves for you. So there's the first curve. If you notice, it moves slightly a little bit to the second one, so you hit enter again. And then finally you hit enter a third time to guess. And this tells us that this the solution, one of our solutions to the system, is located at -5, 0. Now, to find the other point, I do the exact same process, but I just need to move my cursor close to that point. So again, second, trace, intersect, and now use your right arrow to go over. And you don't have to be right on it, just get close to it, like that's fine. Once you're there, hit enter 3 times. And there's your solution.